How to use ChatGPT o3 model step by step. To use the ChatGPT's o3 model, you must engage with the OpenAI's specialized reasoning and thinking series. So go ahead and launch the ChatGPT application first of all on your device, then log into your account. You can also use any web browser of your choice, then head to the ChatGPT's website. Now once you are here within the chat interface, you simply have to tap on the text box at the bottom and you will find this plus icon right next to it. You simply have to tap on this, and from the pop-up menu you'll find the Think Harder option or the Thinking series. You simply have to tap on it, which is o3. From there, now you simply have to give the prompt to the AI itself by tapping on this, by typing your prompts within this text box and sending it. And this is how you can use the ChatGPT's o3 model. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.